Hello, and welcome to the Warner Library tutorial page. In this video, we will go over how to create your own free accounts for the New York Times and Wall Street Journal online newspapers via the university subscription. Let's get started. First, go to the Research Guides box found here on the library website. From here, scroll down to the How-To section in the right column and search for a guide called How to Access New York Times and Wall Street Journal. Alternatively, you can search for New York Times and Wall Street Journal in the box at the top of the screen and locate it in the search results. Use the tabs at the top of this guide to navigate between either the New York Times or Wall Street Journal instructions. Let's start with the New York Times. To create a New York Times online account, you will need to click on the Group Pass link located here on this page. Either click the image or the link below to start the process. Click on the Create Account button. You can also use this link to sign into an existing account with the login link. You will need to use your Eastern email address to create the account. If you do not, it will not count towards the university's free subscription plan. After typing in your email address, click Continue. Create a password for your account, then click the button to save it. You will also need to explain whether you are a student or faculty staff member and offer your graduation year. Before you can start using New York Times, you will be asked to set a calendar reminder to renew your yearly access. We recommend that you do this by clicking on the appropriate button. Otherwise, continue into the newspaper with the Get Started button. Now let's see how you can create a Wall Street Journal account. Similarly to the New York Times account, you will need to use the Wall Street Journal partnership link to create your free account. You can find it here in the first box on this page. You can create your account by filling out the appropriate information on the form here, or sign in with an existing account with the Sign In button. Just like with the New York Times account, be sure that you use your Eastern email address in order to be an active member of the free subscription the university provides. Once done, click Create. Now you will be able to browse the Wall Street Journal online by clicking this button. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. To see more videos, check out our YouTube channel and don't hesitate to contact the library staff for additional assistance.